Hey you guys, I am so excited to hop on and highlight this Abracadabra Dream Stain Remover. This stuff is awesome. So I'm a mom to 3 little kids. I have a dog. I'm a nurse. We have all sorts of stains and things in our house. And so this is so nice. I am really excited to test this out. I've heard really great things about this and they just sent me the sample, thank you. And I am really excited to give it a go. So what's really cool about this is it does not have any peroxide or bleach. It doesn't have any sulfates and it's no animals as the product. So this is awesome. I love that it's clean, good ingredients. That doesn't include any of those typical things that you'll find in stain removers. This doesn't have those, which is awesome. So what's really cool about this is it's super multifunctional. So you can use it on clothes, linens, fabrics, upholstery, and carpet all around your house, your car, your job. It's awesome. So you can use this literally pretty much anywhere on whatever type of fabric or material. So obviously they recommend testing it first so you don't go do like a huge portion and have some reaction to it. But this is very multi-use and multifunctional. So we're gonna go test it out together and let's see how it works. All right, you guys, so here is the stain right here on this little couch I have in my bedroom. And I'm gonna just spray a little bit of this on here so that we can work on getting that out. So the recommendation is to just spray it, remove the excess buildup, spray it, and then rinse or launder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of gently rub it in here. And look at that, you guys. That stain that's just been sitting there is already gone. Oh my goodness, that worked seriously so fast. I cannot believe that. Like, good as new. You would never have known that there was just that big white stain there. Okay, you guys, I'm sold. 10 out of 10. Go grab yourself some of this Abracadabra stain remover. This stuff is totally amazing.